So I'm going to create the eccentric cam using parametric constraints. So I'm going to start by taking a look at the actual eccentric cam, and you note that it's got a diameter of the outer circle of a value d, a offset for the center point at 1/4 d, and then the hole, of course, is a fixed value of 3/16 of an inch. The thickness of it is also 3/16 of an inch, and that'll be part of when we do our extrusion. So to start off with, then I'm going to go ahead and get into Autodesk. I've already opened a part file, and in that part file, now I'm going to go ahead and into my parameters, and I'm going to go to user parameters and add a numeric value of D, and tab over, and I'll just leave that at 1 inch for right now and hit done. Now I'm going to go into a sketch and go ahead and open up the XY plane, put in a circle, and let's go ahead and make that circle with a diameter of D. So I just need to put D in there for that diameter. Next, I need to create a offset point down here. And I'm going to put in a fixed point, put it right down in here, and it doesn't matter exactly where I place it. I just want to keep it on this vertical line here, my y-axis. That way I can put in a dimension right here down to my point, and that dimension is going to be 1/4 d, so d/4. All right. There I can put my circle. I'm going to center my circle up on that point, and then I'm going to make that 3/16, enter, and that's 3/16 of an inch for the hole there. And that should be it. I'm going to go ahead and finish it. Now let's just double check our parameters real quick. All I have in there is D. I have D/4 for the offset, and then 3/16 of an inch for the hole. Let's go ahead and do our extrusion, select, and then my extrusion value, I'm going to type in 3/16, enter, and again I'll go in, and that's going to add 2 new dimensions in there, the 3/16 for that, and the 0, because there's a 0-degree offset there. Okay, and that is an eccentric cam using parametric constraints. One thing that I forgot to do in here is this assignment calls for the nominal diameter to be 2 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and just change that. That's the neat thing with parametric constraints, is it's real easy. Once I hit the 2, everything else automatically changes to my new constraint in here. And so that is your eccentric cam using the parametric constraints. What I'd like you to do is open up your iProperties, change the physical type to ABS plastic, apply that, and then make sure you take a snip that shows both the iProperties and the actual shape of your cam. It should look like that. Okay, that's all you need. Make sure you cut that and paste that into a Google slide.